Welcome back, champions, to another episode of Unleash Your Potential. Today, we're diving deep into the power of embracing your journey and unlocking the incredible potential within you. Get ready to be inspired, motivated, and ready to take on the world. Life is a journey, and each step you take is a chance to grow, learn, and become the best version of yourself. It's easy to get caught up in the destination, but remember, it's the journey that shapes you. Every setback, every obstacle, is an opportunity to rise. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Remember, your journey is unique. Your struggles and triumphs are what make your story extraordinary. I faced failures and doubts, but I never gave up on my dream. And today, I'm living it. It's not about where you start. It's about the progress you make along the way. So, set those goals. Take those risks. Embrace the challenges. Because within every challenge lies an opportunity to shine. Your potential knows no bounds. It's time to silence the doubters, overcome the fears, and push forward with unwavering determination. Remember, every day is a chance to make progress, to learn, to become a better you. Embrace your journey, and let your potential flourish. Stay motivated, stay hungry, and keep pushing forward. Thank you for joining us on this journey of inspiration. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the motivation. Until next time, keep unleashing your potential.